The pregnant plesiosaur. The genus was discovered and named in 1821. In 1823, Mary Anning discovered a complete plesiosaur skeleton. Plesiosauria is an order in the class Reptilia. It is then split into two main families, Plesiosauroids and Pliosauroids. Genuses include Elasmosaurus and Kronosaurus. There is also a genus Plesiosaurus. It was thought that these marine reptiles went on shore to lay their eggs, like sea turtles, but it is known that their bodies were not well suited for climbing on land. This pregnant specimen was found in 1987 by Charles and Marion Bonner. It was found in Logan County, Kansas. It is almost complete except for a few parts of the mother's neck and skull. The research on this specimen was conducted by Doctors O'Keefe and Chiap. The fossil is now housed in the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles. The finding is detailed in the August 12, 2011 issue of the journal Science. This pregnant plesiosaur is of the species Polycotylus latipinus. The mom was about 15.4 feet long and the fetus was about 5 feet long. The baby was huge and not even ready to be born. Many parts of the fetal skeleton had yet to turn into bone, including the skull. The flippers were also disproportionately short and the head disproportionately large. The fetus was only 2/3 ready. Having one big baby in the Mesozoic era was rare. The fossil record is full of pregnant ichthyosaurs and mosasaurs because they gave birth to several relatively smaller babies. But why is this the only one we found of a plesiosaur? It's probably because that plesiosaurs had fewer offspring over longer periods of time. This also suggests that plesiosaurs might have lived in groups or taken care of their young, like modern dolphins or toothed whales. There are two ends of the life history continuum. This high maternal investment strategy is called K-selected. The other end, where offspring receive little to no investment from their parents, is called R-selected. Plesiosaurs gave birth to one large, well-developed baby. Ichthyosaurs and mosasaurs gave birth to smaller young in larger quantities. Xiaochun Wu, a researcher at the Canadian Museum of Nature, said, "It is very possible that some plesiosaurs, if not all, were K-selected, although more solid evidences are needed." Polycotylus is the only known pregnant plesiosaur, so only this genus is confirmed to have these kinds of gestation periods. But like Wu said, it's totally possible that all plesiosaurs had similar pregnancies. There are virtually no modern reptiles that give birth to live young. The one exception is a group of Australian skinks. They live in groups and look after their offspring. Thanks for watching.